So we're walking back from taking Luca to school. We did have school today. And I noticed our gate just blew right over. Broke right off. That's how windy it is. Jeez. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
We just woke up because the power went out in our house. Rivers.
But now we have to go to Star and Sissy because their light did not burn out.
It might be out too. River's white noise machine turned off, which woke him up. My fan turned off. It's pretty windy outside. And Luca is supposed to have school, but I don't know if the power is out there too, so we're just kind of waiting.
I don't see outside.
Yeah.
Now it's really stormy.
It's really windy out there. It's getting cold in here because there's no heat. And I'm not sure if I can use my stove or not. It's gas. But, yeah. So, we're just kind of hanging out, hoping it'll come back on soon. But
in our tarp
the car works. The car works, so we could go get food or something maybe. I don't know. But yeah, we're just, hanging out. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it comes back on soon. So we're walking back from taking Luca to school. We did have school today. And I noticed our gate just blew right over. Broke right off. That's how windy it is. Jeez. I figured since the power's out and Luca's at school, we'll have a little learning time here with River, and he's doing so well. He matched the triangles and drew those circles, and now he's coloring in some triangles here. Good job.
No.
Oh, is that a triangle?
Yeah.
Good job.
That one? That one?
What is that?
A heart.
A heart. That's not a triangle. Find the
That's
triangle.
what?
We're coloring in the triangles. Just the triangles.
I'm just throw it in the triangles and then into the hearts and then into those.
Okay, triangles first, and then hearts, and then circles.
Okay.
Good job.
And then flat too. Yes.
And there's squares? Okay, then squares. And rectangles. I think those are rectangles.
No, the flats.
Okay, there's one square. And two rectangles. I'm so proud of this kid. He just did a connect the dots and made a star. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah!
Yay! He's doing so well. He starts preschool in the fall, so we're just getting ready. Are you so proud of yourself? You're such a big boy. And our power is still out. It's actually not a bad day outside. It's very windy, but it's sunny. Kind of nice, but very windy. And we have a lot of trees around our house.
The sea within us. The sea. Date. When the evil shadows attacked, the turtle did the tummy shot. Did the ninja turtle, did the ninja turtle, did the ninja turtle. He was in a show to the power.
Hey guys, so I guess the power has been out since like 8 o'clock this morning. I just got home from work a little while ago and now I'm barbecuing. The only thing that works is luckily we have gas stove too where we can actually cook some stuff. And got the barbecue rolling, so we're good for now. It's getting a little bit cold inside the house, but you can see trees behind me are just blowing all around. On my way home, all the power was out all the way down to the other town, to Milwaukee, past Milwaukee. So, but yeah, it's pretty windy out here right now. Hopefully the power comes back on soon, because hopefully everything doesn't go bad in the fridge. And got a lot of stuff in the fridge. Got a lot of stuff in the freezer. But either that, or I'll just start cooking all the meat, and then we got some food for a while. But oh well, we'll just keep at it. Hopefully power comes back on soon. Also, we have an awning up here, an awning above our back deck, and as you can see behind me, shingles blew off, so now I got to deal with that too once it calms down. Sun's gonna want to come out for a second, of course. Only in Oregon, where it can be this windy and stormy and the sun just pops out just for a little bit, but just another thing to fix. So since our kids are picky, I gotta get crafty, and I'm gonna throw this on the barbecue to see if it works. You think it'll work, River?
Yeah.
He's over there eating a giant bowl of rice we found in the fridge, aren't you?
Yeah.
A big bowl of rice?
Yeah.
You have a huge bowl of rice, actually. It's cold, but look at that big bowl of rice. Is that good?
Yeah.
I think he's getting more on himself than actually in his mouth. Are you getting more in yourself than in your mouth?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Is the power out?
Yeah.
And they did learning time earlier, which is pretty cool. He's learning a lot already. Love you, kid. The power is back on! All of a sudden, this came back on. River, I came in and he's like, "What's that sound?" And everything's on. Everything's back on, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yay! That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. So now I won't lose everything in the fridge. The power's back on!
Yay.
But I want to see.
Shoes off.
Alexa's talking.
Alexa's talking.
Yeah, Alexa's talking to us.
What?
The lights are on.
One.
Oh,
Now I can
good.
cook your chicken nuggets the real way. Yeah, the lights were out at school today, weren't they? What did you guys do at school when the power was out?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you guys do? You guys sing songs? What songs do you sing?
Spring songs.
What? Sing it.
Like Happy Father's Day to you.
Happy Father's Day? I think it comes Mother's Day first. But
Huh?
Mother's Day comes first, I think. Doesn't it?
Happy Father's Day. And then Happy Mother's And then Happy Mother's Day.
Okay. Ah, stormtroopers!
You're not the mean one.
Get back to the Millennium Falcon!
You're not the mean one.
Oh, he's not a mean stormtrooper? He's a nice one?
Yeah, like that head. That is nice.
What? Oh, his face is the nice one?
Yeah.
Oh, he's smiling, yeah. He's a nice stormtrooper.
There. There you are.
How do you spell your name, River?
I'm out. I-B-E-R.
That was pretty close. I think you just spelled liver though. L-I-V-E-R. Say,
I'll do it.
River, say R. I. V-E.
R.
Good job. Don't you care if you
Hi, River.
want to see if
What are you typing, River?
I don't really want to.
You're writing a novel?
if you heard that? I was check on you.
What are you writing about, River?
I don't want
What are you typing?
It makes me sad.
to. Why did you do that? Why did you do
Say bebop, bebop, bebop.
No. Because they don't say them.
It's a computer, though.
The keys don't say that, Daddy.
Sorry.
Hey, River. What? Boo!
Alright.
Hi. The power's out again.
Wow.
Boo.
Again, the power's out. Again, we suck. So the power went out again, and so we decided to come to Toys R Us. We got a birthday party to go to tomorrow. Birthday party tomorrow, Patrick's. Hey, Luca. So we're at Toys R Us right now, and then we got to go out to dinner because we still don't have power, so I can't cook anything. And we can't open anything because we don't want everything to spoil. So I've been thinking about getting a drone for a while. I really want one. So I want to do some aerial footage, but I just don't know which one to get. So if you guys know of any good ones, maybe comment down below, and we can. Just a beginner one that if I break it, it doesn't matter, because that's probably what's going to happen on my first one until I get better at it.